I hope you guys know by now, it's sort of an unspoken promise I've made to my viewers, and that is if I find something that's absolutely amazing, new on the market, or at least new to me, I'm gonna bring it to you. How many of you were around in 2010, I think, maybe 2009, when I introduced you to spinners? Can I see a show of hands? How many of you have spinners on your tree now as a result of something that I shared with you? Here's what I'm gonna tell you now. I've discovered something that's not actually 100% new to the market. It's been around for a while, but I've been a little intimidated by them and didn't really know how they worked. This year, I actually started using them, and it's a game changer. Now I'm gonna show you and explain to you what it is. It's this box right here, and this little pack of batteries. And there are different options of sizes. This is the 3 AA's. You can get 2 AA's, you can get AA's. And then this is the USB ports, and they come in the 3 USBs, which actually is 2-sided. So it holds a total of 6 USBs. Or you can get a set of 6, which holds 12. Now that's what I put down the center of my tree when I use spinners. The spinners nowadays are USB powered. I buy AA batteries like there's no tomorrow, because I have a lot of things that are battery powered, including these little villages, and I have 3 of them here in my kitchen. Let me explain how this works. Do you see this piece of garland up here? There's obviously an extension cord up there because I do have my garland lit. But that village piece right there is battery operated. So if I want that to be on at the same time as my garland, I say, Alexa, turn on kitchen. Ta-da! Except my village piece doesn't turn on. So I have to come up here, search around for the little battery pack, and turn it on. Super cute, right? Yeah, but then at the end of the night, and I have 3 of them, so anytime I'm entertaining, I have to bring my ladder in here, climb up, and turn these on individually. Plus, if I wanted to leave them on a timer, then they're gonna run out of batteries really quick. So it has just been kind of a little bit of a pain in the rear, you know what I mean? So what if I was able to do something different? And let's try this. Alexa, turn off kitchen. All right. That's still on, so at night I'd have to climb back up there and turn it off. Let's take a look over here where I have solved the problem with this new product. Alexa, turn on kitchen. Amazing, right? The lights come on with the Alexa prompt, and it is plugged into an outlet. It's plugged into an extension cord that then comes down to an outlet and has an Alexa Echo Smart thing, you know, to do it. But that will go on and off whenever I tell it to. Alexa, turn off kitchen. I just solved my whole climb up and down the ladder situation. So now let me show you how this works. It's pretty cool. These are 3 AA batteries, but they are connected with each other with this ribbon. All right, then you've got your USB aspect here. This right here is a plug, just like you'd have for your phone, and it's a USB plug, and that goes straight into the wall. Come over here. Well, I'm just gonna plug this in. Trust me, that's what I'm doing. I'm plugging it in. Now you take your USB cord that's plugged into an outlet and you plug it in. You see that? Because this is gonna be plugged into the same extension cord as my garland, it will light up with my garland. So the batteries never wear out. These are not rechargeable. The batteries just take the electrical current from the USB and they turn on your fixture. Is that amazing? And they never need to be replaced. At least, I don't know if they need to be replaced. I don't think so, but anyway, you don't have to replace them like you would a rechargeable battery or any other thing, and it makes your life easier. I'm gonna stick it back up there. Oh, one other thing, just a little side note. Come over here and I'll show you something. The other option is you can take the USB, put it into that receptacle, plug it in, and voila, same thing. So when you would use this is when you are doing multiple things up in one area. And it got me over that feeling of, okay, I'm overwhelmed by this. I don't really know how this works. Now I know how it works, and I am a true believer. I hope that helped you guys. Yay for new products. May the people who create Christmas things continue to be smart, innovative, and come up with great solutions for all of us.